You are going to give us lecture on women empowerment. What is women empowerment? And women empowerment basically refers to the rights of the women, which one should know how to protect themselves, how to maintain themselves in the society, how to live. So it is like women empowerment is related with everyone, not only with women, because the guys who are sitting here are also involved in it. Because if you guys won't help girls, nobody else will go and help your fellow mate. Okay? So we'll be going through little legal things, then we'll moving to the discussion. We'll be discussing it with you, what you understood and what else you will be doing in future to help the girls. Alright? May I have the response from everyone? Yes, ma'am. So women are a part of community. There are some communities in India who don't consider women as their part. There are many communities in Haryana, in Rajasthan, and in some places of Uttar Pradesh also. You might be aware, you might be watching televisions in which there are many programs which show that they don't consider a woman as a human being. Okay? Till we won't consider a woman as a woman, nobody else will come and help them. Clear hai? So you might have heard a phrase, औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है. Clear? So it is related with what? What do you think कि इसका क्या मतलब है? Anyone from last? What do you think about it? When we come to female feticide, female feticide, so most of the killing is done by women itself. There are women who don't want to get a baby girl. So women is the originator of this world. If a woman is not there, the world cannot carry on itself. Because a woman is only one who takes care of you, who cooks for you, who washes your clothes, and who takes care of you when you are in a trouble. Okay guys, do you agree with this? You all might be having mothers, sisters and friends also. So do you think when you are in a group, you have 5 girls and 10 boys, so what do you think? Who are the first ones to help you out? Do you have a group? So who are the ones? According to me, girls are the ones who come in front, who make your notes, who make your practical files, who help you mark their, your proxy attendance also. Sometimes. Who keeps on telling teacher, he is on his way, he has got the washroom, he has got this and that. So women are very important in everybody's life, whether we are working in any of these sectors. There are many sectors in which women are working at a high level. There are many women about whom we know. It is Kiran Bedi. It is our last president. Who was our last president? So she was also women. But the thing is, some of the people might be in our this campus. There are many people who still have in their mind that we are superior to a girl. That is the mentality of the Jans in whole of the world. But we have to change that. Because you are the youngsters like me. I am also among you all. So we will have to work, we will have to talk about this thing with everyone we meet, so that we can help girls who are facing any of the problems in the society. आपने देखा होगा कि आपकी सोसाइटी में wherever you live, whether you live in a urban area or you live in a rural area, तो हर जगह पे women के साथ जो है problems हैं. There is a problem in this century also. A girl can't travel alone at night. This is because the mentality of some people are very cheap. Clear है? You might have heard about the Delhi case. That could be stopped if someone would have come in front and helped that girl. Do you people agree with that? So next time what I want is, whenever you find a girl in a problem, don't think she is not your friend, you don't know them, might be you get into a problem because of her. Just go. About the national policy for the empowerment of women. We used to read this in social study books in 9th and 10th standard. Do we? So what were the policy and what were the points included in that? One was creating an environment through positive economic and social policies for development of women to enable them to realize their full potential. We girls are working to prove that we are also something in this world and we want to prove our potential. So there was one bill passed that was known as National Policy for the Empowerment of Women that was launched in 2001 by the government of India. Other thing was equal access of participation and decision making should be given to that in a family as well as out of the family. अभी भी आपकी family में you have your mother. Whenever your father takes a decision, he comes to you, your mother and your sister, all the members of the society and all the members of your family and discuss it with you. Clear? Sometimes you might feel if we are boys, we can take the decision easily. And sometimes we girls as a sister, as a mother and as a family member require your guidance, your security. Because it is like whenever we go out with our brothers, we feel secure. That is our power. If a boy in a group is a friend, so he takes the responsibility of the girl whenever he says yes to the friendship. True? So coming up to legal things, we have legal judicial system is made for,
out of political control and not well arranged.
Yeah, in that sector also there are companies which provide security to women in the help in the form of money. ठीक है? Clear है? So not taking up lot of your time, we'll be talking about two or the other things more. One is dowry. Dowry is the thing which is carrying on itself right from the days of Raja and Maharaja till now. It is today's time also. There are many girls who suicide or who have to go under different problems. There are 3 to 5 news in a newspaper. You all might be reading newspapers. There are news about all these things. That can be stopped only by the youngsters or the boys who are going to marry a girl. If a boy stands that I am not going to accept any kind of dowry in any form, rather it is gift, rather it is jewelry, anything. So a woman can be saved from the dowry system. A life can be saved by a man. So who is considered to be the supporting hand to a girl? That is a man. Clear? One program that was launched on 2nd of the October 1993. Many of you might be 1 or 2 years old at that time जब ये launch हुआ था. Many of you might not be there at that time. So it was regarding, its objective was of empowering the rural women through building self-reliance and confidence in them. अभी भी आपने देखा होगा there are many of the societies, many of the institutions which provide security system to girls जो उनको teach कर रहे हैं kind of judo, ठीक है? It can help you. And there is an organization that is named as National Association of Women Lawyers. They are always ready to help a girl. Most of the cases which come in front of the media are 0.5% of the cases which occur in this world. There are many cases which happens in a day that ruins a life of a girl, but they don't come into the eyes of others because family doesn't support them, friends doesn't support them. If your friends support you, if your family supports you, if your society supports you, you are the only one जिसको कोई भी problem कभी नहीं होगी. When girls make a group in a college, when I used to study in a college, we used to have a group of 15 people. Out of that, there were 6 boys. Why it was? It was not like we wanted to have fun. It was like we will be secure from the guys out of our group. We used to feel protective, and that is the need of today's world. And at last, I would just say this thing: a woman is safe when she knows how to protect herself from anyone. कोई भी आपकी हेल्प नहीं कर सकता है till you don't help yourself. If you are into a trouble, if you are into a situation where nobody is standing, so till anybody of your family, any of your friend, anyone from your neighborhood comes to help you, you will have to help yourself. It can be done how? There are many of the institutions, as I told, they are teaching some of the tricks. Some of them are, you can shout at that people. Once you shout at them, they will be scared of you. For a moment, they start thinking, this girl cannot be controlled by us. Go to the ATMs near you. There you will find a camera that is always being looked by bank people. They'll come and help you. You can go, if you are traveling into a lift. We shall take a simple example. And somebody comes into your lift and you don't find comfortable with that person. You have to go to 6th floor. What you can do is press all the buttons in your lift. That means lift door will open at every floor. That person will hesitate in saying anything to you because after every second whenever you reach next floor, आपकी lift का door open हो जाता है. How many people are using smartphones here? Maximum of you are using smartphones? 90% of the people are using it. We can take it like this. So there are many of the applications that are used by women to save them from getting into a trouble. You can always keep a number on your speed dialing mode, which you can press, and anybody on that corner can listen to you. Or that can be tracked by any of your friends, any of your family members. I would suggest never go to a place with any stranger or your friend without informing your family, your group, your friend. Clear hai? It is for the safety of yourself only. So winding up here, we will be doing it wherever you need a support or you want to contact us. That is the Vishnu Paryavaran Society that is run by Mr. Ashok. You can contact us, you can take the numbers from your organizers of this program and we will be there whenever you need the help. That is all, and I think I am standing here and that has helped you all people. Is it like this? So we'll be meeting again whenever you need us and we'll be there for your help. Thank you all.